actually the ones last separating on the nominal contact systems, whereas the ones below already are separated. So we need the tungsten because as well, when we open here, but we still see here, the arcing contacts are still connected. So the current in this will flow through there. So we force the current from the surface, from the nominal contact system. So here we see it's going to have a small short circuit or an arc flash, and force to go through the inside and then back to the surface. So if we open, so here we see there is no current flowing on the nominal contact system. The hole flows only on the arcing contact system, and then we have the separation only between the arcing contact and the tulip contact. Both as well are made of tungsten and special material on top, which is much harder and can more assist the arc flash. And in there, with the whole system on a generated circuit breaker and the SF6 inside, it will be blown out. In the way, so it's just the opening here. Here we can see still nominal contact are there. The contact pin is still inside, and then we force it to go inside, and then it's blown out by the SF6 gas with, let's say, how the braking chamber is made for to blow it out there.